Okay, so this is one of my drawings. Not really my drawings, a commission I did December, and it's not like the client cares if I share it. So let me use this one to place texture. Jeez. Okay, let me just close the color layer. Okay, so I'm going to put jean texture on her trouser. So let's. Jeez, this one will lag. Okay, it's not lagging. So let me just fill it in with any color so that it really matters. Sure. Carefully. I'm sorry I did not place show touch pointers so that you're able to see what I'm tapping at the moment, but I will try my best to use my pen to do all. So that you're able to see everything. So after placing the colors carefully, filling up every space you have. So I already have some textures in my library here. So I'm going to give her jean for her trouser and then give her wool for her singlet or suede. No, jean. So this is jean, this is suede, this is wool, this is weave, this stick jean, this is some pattern, this is green and others that I have. I made this one because there was a commission I made that I needed Isiagu, so I had to draw this one to use it for pattern. Then yeah, so I'm going to create a new layer above this other layer where the color of her trouser is on, and then I'll pick the pattern, the texture, and then I lay it there. When I clip, you see it has clipped to her trousers, clipped to where the color is. So most times I like to extract line art so that I'll be able to control color it. Extract line art, make it as light as possible so that you'll be seeing the color through it. If you feel, yep, it's okay like this. Nope, though I want to, but no, because they will always put a layer above. So I covered line art, so color layer, and then I protect alpha with my red color. I color on it. Well, you see, now that I color on it, everything goes away. Like the whole line art is colored. Leaving it like this will make the texture shabby, but I kind of don't want it to be so dark, so I create another layer. Usually this part is kind of an experiment though. Create another layer, put it in color blending mode, and then color it. Now you see that the jeans is being colored, the texture is being colored. So now I feel comfortable with how red the jean is. So let me just let me tweak brightness, saturation, hue. Yeah, I like this one. Then I blend. When you want to merge down, you merge from the lower layer, because if you, okay, let me just show you what. If I merge the color layer with the gene layer, see the color changed, and that's not what I want. I want it to retain. So undo. It has not been undone. Undo. Now it has gone back. So I merge the texture layer first, and then I merge the other layer. If you are merging clipping layers, you merge them in order of how you clipped them. So I have that one. So now let's go for her singlet. Let me hide her helmet color first. Let's go for the singlet. Singlet, create a new layer, fill it with any color, because most times it doesn't really matter. You have to really do the color thing after you've put the texture. Fill it with any color. Okay, and cover spaces. Then fine, our helmet color is on. Let me put this guy below all of them so that I can still have the old colors, but they won't come and cover the new things. Well, okay. The reason why the shadows are showing the blending is because I left them on top. Like, see them, these guys here, they are the ones on top. I don't know if you understand, but if I close them, they are gone. So I just leave them. Still does a good job though. So now I'm going to pick wool, create another layer on top of it. Pick wool. No, I don't think so. I'm the one that is busy. So I try to make it as big and as small as I want the pattern to be. Yeah, this one is going to be tricky because
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to my phone.
Who are you talking to your phone?
I did record. So you see it. Then I go ahead, extract line art. Okay. Extract line art. Now I like the way it is now. Nope. White layer, color layer. Then place another layer on top, clip it, set blending mode to color. Then color is shit. And pick orange. Color this shit. So I think I will show you why I don't use normally you see whenever I extract line art, they give me a layer that's this 8-bit, but I change it to color layer. I'll show you why I don't use 8-bit layer later. So now that I have this I have to adjust the pattern to kind of fit her pose. So mesh transform. Let me use free transform. Free transform will capture the whole thing. Okay, let me select an area first. You know the pattern fills the whole screen because it's clipped. That's why you can't really see the other parts. So free transform. I then drag the pattern to fit the pose of my character. Perspective correction is for when you want to set certain perspective, but you can still use it. Just a very little tweak that you will not notice. This video is already getting too long. Then mesh transform. So I go in and pick parts of the pattern and then arrange it. Come back for that part. Then I do it again. This time I might increase it. Max number is 10, just because of this part, small part. So there, select and merge down. Sorry, I did not name the layers for you to be able to see it. So now I want to tweak the color. Then I tweak. I like blue. Yeah. Brightness, saturation. So now that you've seen that part, let me show you why I don't use 8-bit layer. 8-bit. So 8-bit layer. If I choose any color, no matter the color I choose, if it's very bright, this is how it will show. The darker I go, the darker the gray becomes. Like, it doesn't change, it's usually just black to gray. If I go, see, slide, see, it becomes white. Good. So for a 1-bit layer, if you choose dark, it's black. It's just two colors, white and black. If it's black, it's black. If it's dark, it's black. If it's very light, it's white. It doesn't give a damn. It's just black and white, 1-bit. So yeah, that's it. So delete this guy. This was the actual artwork, and the one we added texture. See the texture. Yeah, open the background. Let me extract. Save first. So let me extract the one I will share to you guys on WhatsApp. Put it on 1000. Damn, that's done.